Hi and welcome to La Foray French class. In this video, we'll walk you through how to take a test on our LMS smoothly and successfully. Let's get started. First, you have to open your browser and search for La Foray's website, that is frenchclass.in. On the top of the page, you'll see different tabs. One of them is called LMS. Click on that. Now choose the test you want to take and click on Start Now. On the top right corner of the page, you'll find an Enroll Course button. Click on it to continue. Here, fill in your details carefully. Make sure the email you provide is active because important communications will be sent there. Alternatively, you can speed up the process by logging in using your Google account. Next, type in the coupon code provided by the admin team, then click on Checkout to proceed. Now you'll be directed to the test page where all the instructions are clearly mentioned. Please take a moment to read them carefully before you start the test. For this tutorial, we are going to take an English grammar test. To start the quiz, select the Start Quiz button. All tests are timed and the time limit is displayed on this page, so keep an eye on that. Our LMS supports multiple question types and we'll explain each one. First, multiple choice questions. Read the question carefully and click on the word you think is correct. Next, fill in the blanks. Read the sentence and type in the words you think fits best. For sorting questions, drag and drop the words or phrases from the options above to their matching counterparts in the sentence. For open-ended questions, type your answer in the provided box. Once you finish answering all questions, click on Finish Quiz. To review your answers, click the View Questions button. You'll see which ones were right and which ones were wrong. For open-ended questions, your answers will be reviewed and graded by the faculty later. Next, click Continue to move to the next paper, the speaking test. Please note that each test has a set time limit including preparation and recording time. To start the speaking test, click Start Quiz. Then follow these steps to submit your recording. Before starting with the test, ensure your browser has microphone permission. Allow it if prompted. Click Start Recording when ready. Speak continuously for the time given. Click Stop Recording when done. Make sure to click Submit to upload your recording. Remember, if you don't click Submit, your recording won't be uploaded and you won't earn marks for this part. Now you need to wait for the message that says Audio Upload Successful before clicking the Finish Quiz button. After you have completed your test, our faculty will assess your performance and provide grades accordingly. Now we will look at how to use French accents. First, we'll see how to type them on Windows and then we'll learn how to do it on Mac. To use French accents, you'll first need to download an extension called Lexibar French. We have provided the link in the description box below. So now let's start by understanding how to use French accents on Windows. First, you have to go and open the extension that you just downloaded. Then a table will appear on the screen with all the French accents. Now we are typing and you can see that whenever we need to add a French accent, we simply go to the table and click on the desired accent. You can type any accent with this, such as accent aigu, accent grave, accent circumflex, thema, and cédille. Next, we are going to explore how to insert French accents when using a Mac. Don't worry, the process is user-friendly and we'll guide you through it clearly. We are right now on the LMS on our website and we are doing the production écrite section. So now, to use accents on a Mac, you just have to long press the letter on your keyboard. For example, here we have to write aller, and we want to insert the accent aigu. So we simply long press the letter E on the keyboard and select the accent we need. Now, for writing any accent, you can simply do it by long pressing the letter on your keyboard. This makes typing French accents quick and effortless. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck with your test and happy learning.